Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, going to show you how to create a drop-down menu in Shopify. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you won't miss any of these steps. First up, open your browser and then go to your Shopify website and make sure to log in with your account. Now what you're going to do here is basically go to sales channels and then click on this online store. And as you can see here, an option shows up. We have here themes, we have the blog post pages. Also, we have navigation and preferences. So in this case, I'm going to select this navigation option. And as you can see here, we have just opened our menus. So what you're going to do now is basically click on this main menu right here. Now an option shows up here on menu items. Basically, we have home, catalog, and contact. So if you're creating a new Shopify store, then it will automatically gives you this menu right here. Now you can also edit this one right here at the right side. You can edit or basically delete this menu right from here. Just have to click on that one. And in this case, I'm going to click on this add menu item right here at the bottom. And then basically I want to name this as first up men, right? And then you just need to paste the link here. For example, you just need to find a specific link for this menu. So click on add button at the bottom right. Again, add menu. For this one, I'm going to type t-shirts. And then I'm going to click on the search box and find this specific product here. And then click on the add button right here. So you just have to add your menu items from here, right? Now, once done here, as you can see, we have the menu items. Now, what you're going to do here is click and just hold this one t-shirts and then move it from left to right. So move your mouse from left to right. So as you can see right here, all right, and as you can see, we have just created a sub menu. So right there, so the t-shirts is under the man menu. So you can do that to all of the items here. So basically we can do any of the menu. So what we're going to do, you can do to other parts. Basically, you have just add menu item to men right from here. So we can write down the other sub menu. All right. So you can just move it from here. So you can create a drop down menu. All right. So from this one, I'm going to add menu item under this men. So going to enter shorts. So I'm going to paste the link here to all of the shorts here on my products. Then click on the add button. So there you go. We have just created the menu item and we have just created a drop down menu. So what you're going to do now is click on save menu right here at the bottom right. Okay, as you can see, if you're going to preview your website, so here at the top, you'll find a navigation and then you will find a drop down menu right here that we have just created. So that's it. That's how you basically create drop down menu in Shopify. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.